DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, welcome to a brand new episode. We are going to give you guys a detailed look of the Kyrie Irving Boston Celtics Funko Pop that is available now. I will link it in the description box below, along with a bunch of other Funko Pops you may want to lock in. Please hit that thumbs up button right now for this out of the box look, and let's take Kyrie Irving out of the box. So here we go with a close-up HD look of Kyrie Irving. Really looks like Kyrie, which I love. I keep always going back to like these Funko Pops during a lot of my NBA reviews I've been posting lately. They've really stepped it up from 2015 to right now 2018. We're just a day away from the new year, which is exciting. And it just is such an awesome Funko Pop. There is a side profile, and there's a look at his back, and there's a look at his other side. One thing I do notice is on his face, kind of discolored, almost like a stain by his skin. Maybe like glue or something, like above the eyebrow and over in between his eyebrows too, and his forehead. It's one thing that kind of sucks now that I notice. And there you go with a close-up HD look. I definitely will try to review James Harden very soon. And let me know in the comment box below, what are some of your favorite pops to release in 2018? I would love to know. Also have my Funko Pop inspired t-shirt. Check it out. That will be linked in the description box below. Support the channel by picking one up. Check out my Patreon over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. That also will be linked in below. And if I don't see you guys till next year, Happy New Year. Much love.